Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone in a Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 phone. We need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be medium hard or soft so that you don't scratch your phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to soften the dirt so it comes out, and then so it evaporates and leaves no trace behind. You can buy these items as a set on Allegro, Amazon, or wherever is most convenient for you. And if you don't have them, you can use a toothbrush. Just make sure it has medium hard or soft bristles. So the first thing we do is turn it off. First and foremost, you must ensure that the phone is completely and entirely powered down before you begin. The second step in this process is to carefully wet the bristles of your toothbrush until it is just slightly damp to the touch. Now go ahead and take the phone into your hand, holding it firmly and securely in the exact same manner that I demonstrated for you just a few moments earlier. Here is the microphone, and of course you should brush in every direction a few times. For example, 4 or 5 times to the right, then 4 or 5 times to the other side, then 4 or 5 times to this side, and again 4 or 5 times to the other side. And we repeat this 4 or 5 times in each direction to thoroughly clean the microphone without any issues, so that it's properly cleaned and works as it should. You should carefully swipe just a few times in one single direction, which ensures that the trapped dirt actually has a real chance to come out of the crevice. This is crucial because if you keep pressing down in a different direction each time you move, the dirt will just stay stuck deep inside the opening. Even after that grime has been thoroughly softened by the application of the alcohol, it simply won't have any chance to come out unless you provide it with a consistent path to follow. Now let's carefully turn the phone over to the other side. Right here we can see the second microphone opening. While this is not the primary microphone used for standard calls, it plays a vital role in reducing background noise and improving clarity during speakerphone conversations and video chats. Therefore, it is an excellent idea to clean this area thoroughly as well. Doing so ensures that everything works exactly as it should, allowing the device to function at its full potential. For these two microphones to work together effectively and provide the best audio quality, they both absolutely need to be kept clean and free of debris. After doing this, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate from these openings, both the bottom and top microphones, and then you can turn the phone on and use it normally again. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.